In this video, we're talking about the one method of stabilizing your iPhone footage that no one is talking about. What's going on, everybody? It's Matt with Matt's Media, and today I'm talking to you about the one method that I use to stabilize my iPhone. And I use this method quite a bit when I'm hiking or when I'm skiing. I filmed an entire ski season on my iPhone SE 2020. This thing's ancient. With this stabilizer. It's literally a selfie stick, okay? Everybody and their dog has got one of these days, okay? The upside down method. Who would have thought? Basically what this does is it gives your iPhone weight. What did I talk about? Oh! I just broke it. So that's cool. Give me 1 second. Alright, I got a new mount. Continue on with the video. So this far better than this. I filmed hiking trips with this method and it works really well. If you want to switch into selfie mode, literally just flip it up. Yo, what's going on, everybody? You know, classic. Again, it's the concept of weight. If you have the phone like this, as opposed to this, is going to be a lot more stable than this, because this, the weight is kind of like precariously on top, whereas here it's hanging, and a hanging weight is far easier to stabilize than a weight that's just sitting directly on top. So if you want to instantly get more stable footage out of your iPhone, literally just turn it upside down. Peace out.